Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to me unboxing of the Belkin Boost Up wireless charging pad. So, was asked by a family member to look for a charging pad for their new iPhone XR, and I had a look on Apple, and they've got this one here, which in the UK is currently £54.95. Comes in white and black. Belkin, yeah, not a bad make. Thought it's a bit expensive. Have a look at the specs. So it's wireless charging for the iPhone XS, XS Max and XR. So basically all the iPhones that are wireless charging. Stainless steel construction, fast charging, up to 7.5 watts, LED indicator, case compatible, blah blah blah. So I decided to do a bit of hunting around, and whilst this is a special edition supposedly, headed on over to Amazon UK, where they have got it for £39.99, and the only difference I can see is on the non-special edition, it is white on the bottom instead of the chrome finish, which probably isn't worth the extra 15 quid if I'm honest. Looking at the specs, exactly the same. Fast wireless charging for iPhone at 7.5 watts, so on. Pretty much identical product apart from the finish from what I can see. So if you want to save yourself a few quid and you're not bothered on the finish too much, then I'd suggest probably having a look at Amazon or such like before you go committing to maybe buying from Apple. Right, so let's get on with this unboxing. Right, so this is outcome package from Amazon UK. Scissors on the go. And there it is. So it's a 10 watt charger. I think it's Samsung's, it's up to 9 watts, others it's up to 10. As I explained a minute ago, 7.5 on the iPhones. 3-year warranty apparently. Yeah, not much else I can say, so let's get into the box. There we have it. Straight away presented with the charger itself, the pad. Take this out of here. Nice feel to it. Rubberized on the top. The whole of the bottom plate is rubberized, so shouldn't really move around. So I'll be confident in putting my phone on that if it was mine. Nice feel to it. Looks like an LED indicator on there. Power socket there. And normally from other fast chargers, wireless chargers, should I say, that I've had before in the past, they've been micro USB or such like. So different to see a power supply like that. There's the actual power supply itself. Let's have a look at the specs on that. That is, apparently it's a 5-foot cord. It's a UK plug. Probably stating the obvious here, but simply plug it in like that. Nothing else in the box there. Usual stuff no one reads really. The pretty basic instructions. I mean, it's not rocket science really, is it? So I'll now plug it in and try a few phones on it and see if it works with different cases on. Right, so here we are in the kitchen. It's wireless charger. Let's get plugged in. So simply plug it in there. Little white light came on, went off again. Right, let's try it first with a Galaxy Note 8. Light comes on. Phones come on, confirming fast wireless charging. Just try that again. Yep, fast wireless charging enabled. Now we try the Mate 20 Pro. Even quicker that time. Right, just get up. There we go. Straight away confirm this charging. Let's try it with a couple of cases now. Try the Note 8 with the case. Bit more of a delay on the Note, but yeah, that was not a problem. And I'm going to switch to my partner's phone now and try my Note 9 with a really thick Samsung case on it. Right, so we've got my Galaxy Note 9 at the gimbal now, and I've got a genuine Samsung case, which is about as thick as you can probably get for a case, to be honest. So if it will fast charge with this on it, probably fast charge with anything. So let's put that down. Lights on. Fast charging confirmed. Right, so there you have it. Yeah, seems decent enough at the moment. I'll run a few tests on it, on how quick it charges, and probably put these in the description at a later date. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Cheers.